Hey, before we get started on this eBay engine teardown, I want to let you guys know that this video is actually recorded live on a Friday afternoon. We're going to be trying to bring you guys live video streams every week. Be sure to check out Rotors Magazine for more information.
I'll cut you out.
Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Rotors. Today we're going to show you guys exactly what's going on in a eBay bought engine. This is an N3B7. We're going to break it down, see exactly what we find out. Is it worth the $1,500 to buy a rotary off eBay? There are a lot of pros and cons to this. A lot of people have had really good luck. A lot of people have also had really crappy luck. In this case, we decided to buy one and take our gamble and see what we get. While looking, I've noticed a lot of eBay auctions, they will actually show you compression test videos, or they'll tell you if a base has low compression. You guys want to search for the ones that say it has good compression or can give you a compression video. Also, read the descriptions and details very carefully. Make sure you're not getting shammed while purchasing one of these off the internet. We already broke it down, took the intakes off, front cover parts, took the tension bolts out. We're actually getting ready to break it down now, pull off the rear, and go through and see exactly what we find. Now, it's supposedly a JDM engine. It had the old OEM paper gasket, so it is a very early 93 motor. So, here we go.
You're doing this live so you can't fuck up.
Fuck up all the time.
YOLO. That's reassuring.
I just wing it.
These new lenses are so much nicer. I can literally do everything smooth.
Same oil rings come out. Plug still be in good shape.
How you doing? 91.
193.
Is this how you become Facebook famous?
I don't know.
Saw it.
I
Saw.
just do what I do. Springs feel kind of weak. Guessing it's probably a higher mileage motor. Carbon buildup isn't too bad. Surprised all the rubber plugs are still intact. Corner seals.
How many viewers?
10.
110? Lit.
AF.
Hella lit AF, fam.
Jesus Christ.
Don't sweat our swag.
So you want a sweater swag?
I said, don't sweat our swag.
And you know it's a higher mileage engine when the apex seal springs have actually wore down, not so much squared, they're kind of just a sharp blade tip.
We should do this more often. Just fucking live cast.
Well, this is a free video.
Do they bend?
John Gleason says, do they bend?
Does he want them to bend?
Let's put them in the vise and hit them with a hammer and see what happens.
They will break.
Save them for Kenny's build. John Vargas.
He would like it.
I would like it. God, this new one looks amazing. Looks like the tips. And the fucking focus ring super duper smooth. So I can hold focus while you're moving easier.
Oh, bearings still look pretty good. Still your 3-piece seals though.
Lit.
Them are always splendid.
Them are always splendid. Quote brought to you by Matt
They
Benson.
are always splendid.
Them is always splendid.
Shut your damn mouth.
Them there be splendid.
Shit's gonna shatter.
Is that what they said? Yeah. Shit will shatter. So technically, if you bought this motor off eBay, put it in your car and ran it, up the boost.
You're in for a bad time.
That's right.
That one broke.
Not 3-piece.
I have no idea how long my phone battery's gonna last.
Sick.
That's gonna be the fun thing. It was at 70%, so I'd imagine it'll last as long as this takes. This would be like 20
Carbon
minutes.
buildup actually isn't too bad. Shit ton of carbon and everything's been through the housing though. Maybe weak or crappy oil injectors.
Heavy breathing from Brandon, apparently, according to Michael Vargas.
You really hear me?
Yeah, if I can hear you from up here.
Dude,
You're just like,
fucking rotaries, man.
He's squatted.
no, yeah, that's it. That's his exercise for the day.
Yeah, it's all that grunting.
That's fucking funny because I'm the fat guy here.
Sick. You're used to it though. You've adapted. Your lung capacity's better.
To being
now.
fat?
Yeah,
Fuck you.
your body adapted.
All this stuff works me up inside. It gets me happy in pants.
He's bulging right now.
No heat marks. Stuff through. Too bad.
Kirby in the club.
Cunt.
It's going down. Notice me, senpai. Notice me. Oh, thanks for showing the real camera. That's cool.
Oh.
You gotta show them both. I got the Super HD.
Got the Super Kenny phone.
Got it?
Yep.
Kenny sucks. Just stopped in to say that.
Who said that?
Kirkland.
Oh, jeez. Kirkland's my old college roommate. Yeah, he's my old college roommate, so baseball teammate.
Stopped in to say hi.
Something to say Kenny sucks.
Oh.
Someone says not real. Jamie asked if that's the eBay turbo. Show Jamie the eBay turbo over there. That's the eBay turbo, Jamie.
Is the eBay turbo.
It does have a hot set off a legitimate Turbonetics turbo, but that's it.
Boosted.
Jared?
It's a Audi.
Is it Brian?
There's an Audi.
The red one?
Is it silver?
Dark silver.
Is it Brian?
Brian had a red S4.
Oh, that's right, he did get an S4, you're right.
And Brian was silver.
No. It is Brian. That's not Brian.
No, that's not Brian.
What's up?
What's up? Okay, all right, we had to pause it. We had a customer show up in an Audi. Somehow he ended up blowing his strut through his strut tower on like a 2008 Audi. I'm not sure exactly how he did it.
And they say rotaries are unreliable.
Yeah. Also, I'll take a look at this. Check out the needle bearing, pilot bearing inside the E-shaft. It's actually broke. Now for those of you who are just joining, this is the eBay motor teardown. We pulled off the rear rotor, rear housing, rear iron. It's okay. Kenny's actually filming and we're gonna release all of this into one video. So for those of you that actually missed the first half of the engine, you will still be able to go back and watch this.
You see what happens with no supervising? The string gets cut off.
What's that?
What?
See, I was no Doge. Doge and supervising the stream went away.
Probably not in bad shape. Shaft's fairly nice. Still gotta, I can check it, but no scarring, no burning. Sweet. Not so much carbon on this rotor though, unlike that rear. Not heavy breathing in our viewers' ears again, are you?
I'm shaking more than anything.
Someone said you got a pretty shaft there, boy.
I know I do. Why, thank you.
I got 2 pounds, one for the plug and one for the lube.
Springs are shit though. Bearings look pretty good. You can actually see, if you hit the light just right, you can use the camera to be able to pick it up, that it's actually starting to crack right at the lower plug. Surprised there's actually no chrome flake.
Looks like a good view.
What?
So you, what was that noise?
Sure exactly what the fuck that is. That was in the water jacket. No copper on any of the bearings. All in all, would say it's actually a fairly decent purchase. Everything isn't looking bad. It's not blown. No chunks, no gouges, nothing like that. Could we have put this engine in and ran it? Sure. Would we have been on short borrowed time? Most likely. But other than that, out of all the parts that are still good, rotors, irons, E-shaft, stationary gears, nothing's destroyed. I would say it's actually it's fairly decent. Would I say this is how it goes for every single eBay engine? Absolutely not. I would say we probably got lucky. Other than that, would I recommend it? Sure. Do I also recommend putting it in your car and running it right away? No. I recommend that you get it, put it on a stand, tear it down, get it built. Other than that concludes the breakdown of the eBay engine. And hope you guys have a wonderful day.